Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. Today let's make shakshuka, a comforting, spicy North African breakfast that comes together in one pan. Think gently poached eggs nestle in a rich, garlicky tomato and pepper sauce. It's bold, cozy, and made for slow mornings or brunch with friends. This was inspired by Chef John's shakshuka recipe. Let's go over the ingredients. A few simple pantry staple ingredients such as onion, bell peppers, garlic, canned tomatoes, eggs, feta cheese, and seasoning. Step 1. Prepare the vegetables. Dice the bell peppers and add a few slices of Anaheim pepper for some kick. Dice the onion and crush the garlic. Next, saute the aromatics and veggies. Start by heating olive oil in a large electric skillet over medium heat. Add chopped onions, followed by some salt, and saute until soft. Then add garlic till fragrant. Add bell peppers and Anaheim pepper. Season with salt and pepper. Cumin, paprika, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Mix and cover to cook. After simmering the veggies for a few minutes until they are soft, add a quart of tomato with juice. Rinse the mason jar with water and add the water into the pan. Season with salt and pepper. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed. I added more salt. Cover to simmer on low heat. Prepare the bread and the crumbled feta cheese. Slice a French baguette and spread some butter. Crumble the feta cheese. Set them aside. Simmer the spicy tomato base until the consistency is thick enough to be able to hold the poached eggs, as I was showing you in the bottom of the pan. Time may vary from 10 minutes to longer, depending on the heat level and how much sauce you have. Poach the eggs. Make little wells in the sauce. Add one egg at a time. Make sure you crack the eggs in a separate bowl to avoid eggshells in the sauce. Top the eggs with some salt and pepper. Cover the pan and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the egg whites are set and the yolks are still runny. Cook as long as you like your eggs, runny, sunny side up, or well done. Sprinkle some crumbled feta cheese and top with fresh cilantro. While waiting for the eggs to be poached, place the prepared bread slices in the oven under broil for 2 minutes on each side. Don't walk away because they will get burned in a heartbeat. Time to put everything together. Ladle some sauce first onto a plate. Add 1 egg on top. Cut the eggs in half and add 1/2 onto the crusty bread. Followed by some spicy tomato sauce. Yum! This is also a perfect meal prep idea. Since I made more than what we needed for breakfast, the rest were stored in meal prep containers for the week. Shakshuka. Simple and satisfying. Salty, spicy, and tangy. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or dinner. If you love this cozy, bold breakfast idea, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time for more global flavors made easy. Let me spend a minute talking about the Zojiroshi multifunctional electric skillet or pot. Since we bought 2 pots back in 2020, we've been using them nonstop. It is such a game changer for sauteing, stewing, and grilling, and we use it often to make a Chinese hot pot right at the table. While it might be a little bit more expensive, but the cost per use is incredibly low, considering how often we use it, and it's definitely a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.